I've done a lot of light bulb upgrades to my pickup truck. I've pretty much converted almost everything to LED. The only thing left was the headlights, and I just had standard H13 halogen headlights on my pickup truck. On one of the videos, I mentioned that I was using Auxito LEDs, and Auxito reached out to me and they asked if there was anything that I needed. So I mentioned to Auxito that I could use a new set of headlights, and they said, hey, no problem, we'll send you a set of headlights and you can share your experience with your viewers. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, these are a direct replacement for H13 bulbs, and my truck is a 2001, but I converted it to H13 not very long ago. I will put a link in the description to these bulbs down below. However, you may want to go directly to the Auxito website and search for your vehicle to see what is compatible. I'm not going to bore you guys and show you how to change a light bulb. I think all of my viewers are pretty much DIY people, and they have probably done this a million times. But what I will show you is my experience with these light bulbs. Now, you're looking at the front of my pickup truck, and the right bulb is the Auxito bulb, and the left bulb is just a standard halogen bulb. Now, the camera really doesn't show how yellow that left bulb is, but if you look at the pavement down below, you can see that the left bulb is casting a lot of yellow, and the Auxito bulb on the right is casting a really nice bright white light. The truck does have a dash cam, and I did do some before and after videos, and I want to play those for you so you can take a look and decide for yourself which light bulb is better. Now keep in mind, I live out in the country and there's really not a lot of light until I come to this roundabout. Now this is the exact same road but with the Auxito lights, and you can see everything's a little bit brighter, it's a little more crisp. It's also worth mentioning that before both trips I did adjust the headlights, and they have about 4 inches of fall at 25 feet. And yeah, shortly after this test drive I brought them up a few more inches. And this final video shows those Auxito headlights with their high beams on, and you can see a really good distance in this video. So what are my final thoughts of these headlights? Well, I really like them. They really have improved my nighttime viewing. They are a direct replacement. There was really no issues installing them, and if I find any issues in the future with these headlights, I will certainly put a pinned comment down below. I also see absolutely no flicker with these headlights. I did not install any anti-flicker devices. They just work out of the box. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and at the very least, you might be entertained.